angels. It's my birthday week, so that means it's Simona week. So I just took a shower and now we're gonna do this hair because look at this. It looks like I have 2 hairs on my head. So the first thing we're doing for my hair is bangs. Let's get cute. I'm gonna be doing my nails. I stopped doing acrylics for a while because my nails were breaking because I was doing acrylics back to back and I do them myself. So, you know, I'm not a professional. And maybe that's another reason. I don't know. Either way, I took the longest break from doing my nails. But my birthday is this week. So I'm like, let's do nails. And if they break again, whatever. I'll give them the time to heal. I think my main vibe is purple. So I think I'm going to do like purpley nails to match this top that I'm just like, I want this to be my birthday top. I might put it somewhere on the screen or a picture of me wearing it or something, I don't know. Or I might not put any pictures on the screen because I might not feel like doing all that. So you guys, I have this like electric roller thing. Am I supposed to be cleaning the hairs out? Like, how do I do that? Because I got this kind of recently, and before I was using just like a roller brush and like a actual blow dryer, you know what I mean, instead of this. We're done. I was watching YouTube videos in the background. I was watching one of those like Vogue get ready with me makeup things, and I was watching Jessica Alba's video. So this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna have some breakfast now because I'm starving. I don't know why I woke up. I was like, let's start with getting ready. No, I should have had breakfast because now I'm like, I'm gonna try to eat like a nice big breakfast because doing my nails is gonna take me forever, especially doing designs. I've done my nails for like 5 hours. Okay guys, I'm setting up my little nail station right now. What I do my nails on is this little pink towel that I thrifted. It's like a Ralph Lauren towel, which I only realized after thrifting. I just thought the color was cute. But okay, fancy brand. And then I got most of my tools here. My UV lamp in its box. I use this little candle lid for when I do my nail designs. I have my nail tips, my little drill, and all my gel polishes. I think I have like some in here, like I might have black and white in here, but my colorful ones are in there. Oh my god, you guys, I just was thinking about how I have no clue what I'm doing with my nails other than that I want to do something purple. Let's just start prep. To be honest, because it has been so long since I've done my nails, I feel kind of clueless. Like, I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I want to do like polka dots on one nail, you know what I mean, like zebra print on one, polka dots on the other, something on it. Like, I just love having my nails be so random where it's like they probably don't appeal to most people, but I don't care. I don't care because I'm not like, if I'm gonna do my own acrylic nails, you're rarely, if ever, like I don't think ever, you're never gonna catch me, I don't think, having just like one plain color. Like when I paint my nails right now, I have them painted red, they're chipping, but ignore that. But like if I'm doing my acrylic nails, I'm not gonna do, ooh, rhinestones. I gotta do rhinestones because birthday nails. Yeah, and then for my tools I have like different sizes if I want like different sized dots. Should I kind of do like purple and pink? What else could I even do? Purple and gray? I kind of like the thought of purple and pink though. The only thing is I don't think I'm wearing pink in my outfit, but I'm definitely wearing like purple with like some black. Uh-oh, this is girl problems right here. Whatever will I do? Oh, look at this. Oh my god, my dumb ass. I could literally do like a really dark purple with a light purple. Cuticles be gone. Now let's go back to prep. Now I'm drilling my nails a little bit. I don't want to do too much. Wait, what's the Okay, I'm gonna do the lightest amount. Because how my nails were breaking last time, like, I still don't know if it was because I was doing them too often and my nails were getting a break, or if I was thinning them out too much with drilling. Like, I almost like don't want to drill them. Oh, I don't know. Is that like a must? Hey guys, so it's been a few hours and I did like the base of my nails with like the powder and the monomer. Now I'm gonna add my designs. Okay guys, I'm not feeling the most creative with my nails, so I just cured on these. I'm probably gonna do what did I plan? I think a French tip, a glittery French tip, and a leopard print on this one. The pinky one was the first one I did. I kind of messed it up, which that's why I added glitter on it, because glitter fixes everything. And the next I did zebra print, which is cute. That's one of my go-tos. And now I'm gonna be doing these two. I think I'm done with this hand. I might make some changes, but that's how it looks. I'm probably gonna add like some rhinestones too, but that'll be at the end, like once I'm done both hands. I have a lot of little mistakes that I'm gonna cover up with these guys, so I'll show you guys once they're done. The nails are finally done. I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat right now. Anyway, so we started the BRATZathon yesterday, and today's part 2 of the BRATZathon, but it's like 7 p.m. and we haven't started watching today. And yesterday we started early when the sun was up. So, you know, I'm like, we gotta go watch these movies. But here are my nails. Let's talk a little bit about what happened. Because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. Oh, you're gonna see me going like this with my hands. Okay, because I haven't had nails in a hot second. And whenever I have nails on, it's like the alter ego that is Simonalisa comes to the surface 110% to the surface. Okay, so anyways, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, and because of that I had to like improvise with sparkly nail polish and rhinestones, which aren't even. They're not even evenly put on, but it's okay because it's DIY and it's fun. Are we ready for the BRATZathon? Is that what we're calling me for? But anyways, I have a little zebra print situation on the thumbs, but I went in with like dark purple, light zebra lines, and then vice versa here, and it just didn't look that good. Obviously this zebra print vibe looks better. I did this leopard print. I did like, also the nails aren't exactly even. I don't really care. These are the final birthday nails. Let's hope they last me a month or I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, walk so it's like I'm walking. Okay guys, we just went thrifting and I found a bunch of goodies, so we'll be doing a haul. That will be a separate video though, so stay tuned. I feel like one of those professional YouTubers. Keep walking. I like the vision. Don't walk in the don't go into. Actually, can we real quick, I'll take the camera and show you guys the snow situation we got. We got beautiful lumps everywhere. So I'm about to head back home, but we found a lot of good things. Not a lot of clothes. The clothes were lacking. Guys, there's no sidewalk, so we're walking on the street. and the cars are so close to running us over. I'm not meant to live like this. Does it snow in Italy? I don't think it snows that much. Someone let me know because I want to move there one day. I feel like I look like a dark princess, like a Maleficent of sorts. Anyways, I lost another nail, so that's pretty sad, but it's okay. Let me show you guys what I'm packing for the restaurant. So I have my sketchbook, just like based off feeling. Usually wherever I go, I'll throw in everything, but I'm not gonna bring everything to a restaurant. So we get to bring a smaller bag, which is fun. I'm bringing my wallet for my ID, my camera, and my lippies are in here, which I don't think I'm really gonna pull them all out right now, but some lipsticks, some lip liners, and let's put the sketchbook in, and pen and pencil. I was debating wearing the skirt that I made yesterday because it goes with this outfit, but I'm not gonna wear it because I'm scared to ruin it. And I need that skirt for my project for school. It's like a skirt I'm doing, which by the way, guys, I'm filming a video on my fashion project right now. I'm so excited. It's gonna take me a while to post because it's a long project. But anyways, I feel cute as a button, and I'm gonna wear kind of like black boots that kind of go up to here a little bit because I'm not wearing tights today, so. And it's cold, so let's go.